We offer our full range of services in Apple Valley, services such as drug-related cleanup, homicide, suicide, body decomposition, and hoarding services. In the past year, we have helped several customers in Apple Valley with hoarding situations and death-related services. So the process starts when the customer calls and requests help. We'll take the information that they have at that time, and we'll schedule the time to meet them down at the scene location and go over the scope of work with them. If we need to at that time, we will help them file a claim. But we always try and be on every job site within 24 hours, sometimes a little sooner depending on what the situation calls for. Not hiring a professional can lead to work not being done correctly. Fortunately, it's fairly easy to call yourself a biohazard expert when the reality is most of those companies are fire and water restoration companies that do biohazards on the side. All of our staff is full-time. All of our staff has third-party certifications. And so when you call Scene Clean, we like to think that you are calling and working with the best.